Click on the link below to get price. The AMYET S8 electric bike stands out in the crowded e-bike market with its robust features and impressive performance. Designed for adults seeking a reliable and versatile mode of transportation, the S8 combines speed, power, and comfort in a sleek package. Equipped with both single and dual motor options, this e-bike offers a top speed of 30 to 33 miles per hour, making it suitable for commuting, leisurely rides, or adventurous outings. The dual motor capability is particularly noteworthy, as it provides a significant boost in power and torque, allowing riders to tackle steep hills and rough terrains with ease. The acceleration is smooth and responsive, ensuring a thrilling yet controlled ride. One of the standout features of the AMYET S8 is its long-lasting battery life. With a high-capacity lithium battery, the bike can cover a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on the mode used and terrain conditions. This extended range is ideal for those who need to travel longer distances without the anxiety of running out of power. The bike also comes with a fast charging option, allowing users to recharge the battery in just a few hours. Comfort is another priority in the design of the S8. The bike features a sturdy frame and high-quality suspension system, which absorbs shocks effectively, making it suitable for various road conditions. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars provide a comfortable riding posture, reducing fatigue during longer rides. The AMYET S8 electric bike is also equipped with safety features such as bright LED lights and a reliable braking system, ensuring that riders feel secure while navigating through different environments. Overall, the AMYET S8 electric bike is an excellent investment for anyone looking for a high-performance electric bike that doesn't compromise on comfort or safety. Its combination of speed, range, and durability makes it a top choice for both commuting and recreational riding, appealing to a wide array of cyclists.